for decades. Radar was vision. If you could see the sky, you controlled the battle. Then, something changed. The sky filled with objects, too small, too slow, and too cheap. And suddenly, the most powerful radars on Earth were staring into nothing. Radar was never designed to see everything. It was built to detect fast, large, high-flying targets, fighter jets, bombers, missiles. Not plastic, not slow, not flying meters above the ground. Drones exploited radar blind spots, low altitude, low radar cross-section, civilian materials. They did not defeat radar. They avoided it. Modern air defense was built for scarcity, few targets, high value. Drones changed the equation. Dozens, hundreds. No pilot, no fear, no retreat. Each interceptor missile costs more than the drone it destroys, sometimes 10 times more. This is not defense. This is economic exhaustion. Command centers realized something terrifying. Seeing the sky was no longer enough. The battlefield had become saturated. The radar did not fail because it was weak. It failed because the war changed, and the solution was not higher. It was closer, smarter, and everywhere. In the next episode, we uncover how armies are fighting back. Lasers, electronic warfare, AI defense networks. Because the sky is no longer empty. Stratos Warfare.